Now, how can you come to Italy as a plumber and not talk about toilets? So I just want to show you guys in North America, the slight difference is that toilets that we have here in Italy versus North America. Now, granted, I need to say that this is an old house and there is much better technology out there, but let's start with this. So what we have here, instead of where we usually have our inlet coming in at the bottom, on the left side, we've got our inlet coming in on the right side. And one thing I want to point out in particular is that there is no isolation valve, not in this particular toilet. However, there is normally an isolation valve on other toilets. Like I said, this is an old toilet. So looking inside, we have our flush mechanism here. We've got our fill valve. We've got our fill valve here, like we normally do in North America, except it's coming off the right side instead of the left. So if I drop this, then we've got a little plunger button over here. If you hit the plunger button, it'll lift this guy up and down the water goes, makes its way down the tube and through the back of the toilet. Now, one thing I wanted to point out was that these toilets in Italy in particular are a little bit different than they are in North America. I can rave and rave on and on about all the great and amazing things Europe has. Amazing. However, toilets is not necessarily one of them. The problem with toilets here in North America, in Italy, is that number one, if you notice, as this toilet's filling up over here, we have a very low trap seal. Problem with that is that it tends to leave, to put it kindly, residue along the toilet bowl, and you've always need to keep it clean. The other issue is that these, unlike North American toilets, are not siphonic. They're more of a washout type. Those of you guys who have installed Duravit wall-hung toilets know what I mean. It's got a pretty awesome sounding flush, almost like a pressure assist. But it is not siphonic, meaning that it can leave some residue. It does a pretty good job at evacuating the bowl, but our North American toilets are by far superior when it comes to that. So there it is. Toilets in Italy.